Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to maximize interest rates on Lendingclub savings. Lendingclub offers competitive interest rates on savings, but how you manage your accounts is going to determine how much you actually earn. The key is understanding their tiered interest system and maintaining balances that qualify for higher yields. First, check the current APY, that's the annual percentage yield, on your savings account through the app or the website. Interest rates often increase when you keep a higher average daily balance, so keeping funds steadily rather than moving them in and out can of course boost your growth. Next, consider pairing your savings with other Lendingclub products. For example, use Level Up check-ins alongside a savings account. It may unlock additional rewards for much better rates. Finally, set up automatic transfers from your check-ins into savings. This ensures that you're consistently growing your balance and taking full advantage of compounding interest. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.